Hi everyone, I'm Urban Girl, welcome to my channel. As you can see, the sun is shining, so time to get out and about, get some fresh air. Might as well throw a tarp up while we're here. I've got double trouble with me, so it might be quite noisy. The wind is blowing an absolute hoolie, and it is forecast to rain later, so just letting the dogs run off a bit of steam and then we'll get on with it. Whew. Well, I'm well kitted out today. I've got lots of waterproof clothing on, hopefully a pair of waterproof shoes, and my lovely new hat that my son got me for my birthday. And it's handmade by a couple down in England called, I think it's Ben and Lois Orford. So that was a recommendation from a guy on YouTube. He's called Simon, a Bloke in the Woods. His channel's brilliant. I'm staying local today with my minimum kit again because I didn't have the car, so just came out for a walk. Well, I hope that sun stays out. It's a gorgeous day. That wee cat's still sitting there. I hope it moves on as well. We're going to head up to the top of the hill at one of the spots that I was at the last time. I hope that big stick's there. I need a stick or a tree branch for this configuration, so hopefully I'll find a stick up there. So we found a pretty good spot. It is quite near the edge of that hill, but it is fairly flat. There's quite a lot of trees lying about, so get them cleared out of the way before we start. I've chosen this particular spot because there's an overhanging branch there. Apologies for my kitchen bag hanging up, but I do have the dog treats in it, and Buddy snaffled one, so I have to keep that out their way. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to get a bit of cleaning up done, and then we'll get the tarp out. Branches. Don't want the tarp sitting on them. untie that and just pin the back. I'll maybe just untie this and pin the back out again. Probably when it's really windy it is better to peg it first. That took way too long. That's the rain slash snow one, so a bit of a wet one. Yeah, now this hasn't really turned out the way that I wanted, probably because I didn't follow my formula. I did plot out all the points beforehand, but when I came up I've just mixed it up and done something completely different. The wind isn't helping. It was a nightmare to try and peg it down to anything because it's absolutely blowing a gale out here, so that didn't help, but this is pretty much how it's ended up looking. So you can see yourself, there's a wee bit too much distance here at the bottom. I don't know whether that's because I've got the bungees in the corner. Belle, get out of there. So yeah, and this front bit, I've ran out of tie outs as well, so and my yellow pegs, so these wee normal tent pegs are no use in the wind, so that bit keeps popping out. So yeah, bit of a disaster really. So trying to peg that corner out again. That didn't quite turn out the shape that I wanted it to, but I don't know whether it's because I've used the bungee cords on the edges, and that's obviously lifting it up off the ground a bit more. It's also a slightly different shape than it's supposed to be, which makes me think that I've pegged down the wrong points. So again, yeah, lesson learned there. Anyway, it's not a fantastic shape, but we are out of the wind and the rain. Well, the wind's still getting in a wee bit, but we are out of the rain, which is good because the rain just started coming on as I was tightening up the last few points. So that's that, man. That was a really tough one. I don't think the wind helped because I really was battling against that wind. I should have pegged it down first, the way I thought that, you know, would have been the best idea, would be peg it down. Instead of which I tried to tie it up first so that I could position it right on that tree. Which, if it's not a windy day, it's fine. If it's a windy day, it's a crazy idea. But anyway, yeah, I'm definitely thinking I will try this layout again because there's loads and loads and loads of room in it. So in terms of space, I quite like it in the inside. What I don't like is bending down to get in the door, so I don't like that wee bit at the front, and you've got to bend down all the time to get in the door. But I do like the space on the inside. I think overall though, I preferred that layout last week. I think it was, you know, just in terms of being able to put it up really easily, and there being plenty of room in it, and you know, it was really quite a good shelter from the wind. This one, I'm really struggling with the wind today, and a lot of the tie outs just keep popping out, so not great. But anyway, Lord knows where the dogs are. I'm sure they're absolutely shattered. They've been running about like crazy ever since we got here, and we've been up here a couple of hours, so we may not hang around too much longer. Because it's a fairly miserable day now. But yeah, try your best. So there we go, that's the final. I've gone round and hammered in the pegs as much as I can. But as you can see, maybe it is just because I'm using the bungees. And then I did adjust that tie out there, so I don't know whether that was the right one to pull up to the middle or it should have been the next one along. So I might need to watch the video again. I mean, you can do it with a stick as well, as I said, so maybe I should have tried it with a stick, I don't know. But yeah, I mean there's quite a lot of space inside, which isn't too bad. So the dogs are back. There's Buddy there, Belle's down here on the hill messing about. So yeah, that was a wee bit of a shower, but luckily we were inside the tarp at the time. So yeah, as you can see, a bit wet on the outside there, but anyway, that's it. Well, yeah, that was a bit of a downpour. I've tried to peg in a bit more of that side where it was bungeed with the wee bungee cord things. So I took some of them out and tried to peg it in a bit more. It kind of has the basic shape of the tarp tent, but yeah, probably could be improved slightly. Anyway, the rain's gone off and the sun's trying to come out again, which is good. You know, that's Glasgow for you. Yeah, I mean, you can have 4 seasons in one day, quite the thing. Snow, rain, wind, sun's out. It's so funny. Anyway, yeah, I'm quite hungry now. I'm quite cold, just with the wind and that, but I mean, I'm not freezing. I did buy a new pair of kind of waterproof trousers that I've got on, and they're kind of fleece lined, so so far I'm pretty impressed with them. They seem to be holding up quite well. I'm not as convinced about the waterproof trainers I bought because my feet feel a wee bit cold and damp, so I'm not as convinced that they're doing a magnificent job, but I have got really thin socks on. But yeah, the wool hat is definitely brilliant, definitely keeps you toasty. Yeah, I'm going to try and heat up some lunch because I'm hungry and I'm cold, so might as well. So let's have a bit of lunch, guys. Okay, so Buddy, as you can see, is having the lunch. I thought I had bought I thought what I bought was a wee portable milk. It's actually a single soya cream, so it's not going to work because I'm not going to be able to cook this pasta with cream. You know, I really need water. I thought it was milk. You can put milk or water in it, but so that's not going to work. Yeah, so we're going to change our plans and probably just get packed up. Bit disappointing on the lunchy front now with the cream, so yeah, I'm not going to be able to boil it up anyway. Yeah, we'll get packed up, I think. Kind of cold and damp, windy, rainy, so not a great day to be, you know, lying about outside. But anyway, some you win, some you lose, you know. That's what you figure out every time you come out. You learn new things. Try different setups. You know what they're like, what the space is like. I mean, I do really like the space in here. There is a lot of room in it, you know, so it's good for that. And in a not so windy day, I think it would be a lot easier to put up, especially if it's stuck to the formula. But yeah, here's the one picking up. Buddy's trying to escape out the back instead of going out the front door. Silly dog. Buddy, here's the door here, you fool. Well, that's it, guys. That's the rain coming on thick and fast now, so we're all packed up. Never left any space or trace. I'll get my kitchen bag on the way down. So heading back up the road now. Pretty cold, wet and windy, so a bit of a cold takedown. But yeah, it is what it is. That's what it's all about. Just an urban girl out having a bit of fun. So yeah. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for all your subs, all your comments. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you again the next time. Bye.